The pool water should always be an inch below the white line that goes around the pool. If it's higher, not a problem. If it's lower than an inch below, big problem. This little plastic unit controls the flow of water into the pool. When the water level gets low, it kicks in, and when the water level is high, it stops. It's controlled by this pipe right here and this hose. You should always make sure that this pipe remains on, at least one turn on. It doesn't have to be fully on, just one turn on is enough. To test if it's working, I'll show you. To test if it's working, you can put your hand here and push it down, and you'll notice that the water is coming into the pool. That means it's working. It'll auto stop itself. Okay? That means it's working, and you should have no problem with pool levels. You should check that every week. Remember, this stuff isn't kid friendly. It's plastic and it's breakable.